Hey guys, no little picture today. And I thought I had already hit recording, so I did one. We're back at it. I am getting down to the nitty gritty. I've got some, I know they're Graphic 45 Christmas ones, but they're all out of their packages. So I'm going to have to look up Graphic 45 and see which ones go together. Holiday Christmas slash, and over here, holiday Christmas. All right. So I did start another sheet of this, but I hope everybody's having a fantastical day today. Woo woo! Yeah, we are just moving along. I am getting so many things done. It's a wonderful thing. Wonderful, wonderful thing. Getting all of these things finally all done. You know, I've had, I think, 2 different ways that I did my stamps, and neither way did I ever actually finish it all the way out, and I've decided I am going to do that. I am going to get that done, and you guys have got to have stuff like that too. You just got to. We all do. Things that we don't want to get to, but we're going to. And now's a good time. I will entertain you, and you just enjoy what you're doing. Think of it as character building. Right? Alrighty then. Yeah, whatever, right, girl? Okay. Okay, and this one is going to be 161 with die set. 161 with die set. Yeah, that's a nice one. That was W+9. I don't know if they're still out and about now. I don't know. You guys would have to tell me. I don't buy that many stamps. And, oh, that did have a sheet on it. And when I do, I usually look at all of them for a while because, to me, I like stamp sets that I can use for a lot of different stuff, not one that's just going to be, sometimes Christmas is, you know, a little different, but since I don't particularly like cards, you know, so I'm not looking for things with a lot of card sayings and stuff like that, because to me, that's just a waste of my money, because I'm spending, you know, more money on the verbiage, which I don't use. So I'm just going to draw myself a little line right there. And I'm going to not do the rest. Well, I do have this one I can do, but I'm not, yeah, I got all of these, and I know pretty much they're all Graphic 45. That goes into a Unity stamp set. Yeah, I think most of these are Graphic 45. So I will have to look up. I think there's 2 different sets. I think one is like a Scrooge the night before. No, not the night before. What is that? The Christmas Carol. I think one of them's a Christmas Carol, and then one of them is something else. Something else altogether. So there we go. Another Christmas one. Oh, now this one is interesting because the girls that are in it are not really per se Christmassy, and but the packages, come on out of here. See, and I originally had this in a different way, but these girls would be good for coloring, and then the rest of it, it's not shopping, it's retail therapy, and it's There She Goes stamps. It's there. May your, and then you can put season or birthday be sparkly and bright. So that's nice. You know, it can go either way. It doesn't have to be a Christmas per se. So that's nice. So I don't know. I might do a few of these in the Christmas one, and I might do a few of them on other things. So let's get out my thing here. Now this will definitely go on a Christmas one. And let's see. This one can go on a Christmas one. And this, let's see, put this down just a little bit and put this right there. And then I've got two what do you call those? Snowflakes. And here's some gift bags. Let's see. Let me move the gift bag up here, move the snowflake a little bit, and I can get this other snowflake down here. There we go. And then I think the ladies are all just going to go in coloring. So that'll work. So where can I put this one? Let's see. Can I fit it there? No. So we'll just have to put it right here. Right here. All right. In fact, let me get this out so I can have a flat surface. All right. And we're just going to stamp that right there. Push it down, push it down. Leave it long enough to let it transfer onto the paper. Oh, isn't it pretty? Isn't it lovely? All right. So now I'm going to take these off. I'm going to leave that one, may your blank be sparkly and bright. I'm going to leave that on there. And these are for cards. Cards. And this is birthday. I'm going to put that right there. And I don't know what this says, but we're just going to stick that right there. Okay. Now, what number is this going to be? This is going to be 162. So I hope you guys are getting something done. See, my husband and I are looking for an RV. We have a bumper pull, but our truck will pull it in Florida on flat land. It's really being hard in the mountains, which we kind of knew, but we thought we were going to do more Florida stuff but it didn't end up that way. So we're going to get an RV. What am I looking for? Coloring. We're going to get an RV, and so we found one. So Thursday we're going to go and meet them halfway, and we think we're going to be happy with this one, but we don't know until we see it. Images is what it's under. H-I. Images for coloring. There we go. That will go with those girls. This is for card making. That's back in the seas. Gemini crickets. Card sentiments. Card sentiments. Card sentiments. That's all celebrations, which is mostly what this is. Birthdays and such. Okay. So we're going to do this right here. Okay, so we're really excited. Now, these people have redone the inside for themselves, but he's getting major back surgery and is not going to be able to do anything for a while. So he has decided that they're going to sell, and later on, if he gets full function again, whatever. He did not tell us what was wrong with him. That they might get it. They might go into it again. But anywho, so we're super psyched, and it was a 3-hour drive, but they're going to meet us halfway. So it's literally going to be about an hour and a half. We're going on Thursday. Today's Tuesday. So, yeah, we're quite tickled. Quite tickled, I tell ya, for all of that to happen. I haven't cleaned them. Come on, Lisa. Give them a little clean. There we go. That's better. So yeah, we are excited about that. We're planning our first trip, I think, in March to Florida. So we're hoping to have something by then. It would be really special. Be kind of hard to drive a camper down when you don't own one. Yeah. Okay, and this again was number 162. So 162 is now in the celebrations verbiage, and then images is in 7. Yeah, images for coloring. And I think, nope, they're too big. And those are cute. And they're too big. I suppose I could put one here, and one sideways. That's what we'll do. Okay. They're so cute. These little girls. These little shoppers. Okay. Just going to do this. I love these old people ones. They're so cute. Oh, isn't she adorable? Perfect for coloring. So there's one. Anyway, they have a washer and dryer in there. So that you know, it's the single unit washer and dryer all in one. Never used one, but I've heard that they're okay. They're not great, but they're okay. As long as you keep them small loads. So, yeah, we found a place in Florida that we can go and stay for 2 weeks for under $500. So that's and it's a nice park. So, that's nice. If you stay the month, it's $800. So, you know, that's... We don't think we'll stay a month. That's just a little too long. So, yeah, just a little too long. We don't like being gone that long. 2 weeks is good. But, you know, then we'll probably make more trips. But we've got friends in... well, we've got family in Maryland and Virginia. We've got friends in Pennsylvania and New York. So, you know, yeah. I'm sorry, 162. So, yeah, we're gonna have a blast. I am really excited about all of that good stuff. Okay, now this one is all done. So, yeah. So, there you go. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Yeah, baby. So, let's see. This one's going to go back in here. Oh, I think there was... Let me just move this down here so it's helping me to close this up so they're not sticking to everything. Yeah, so that was an exciting thing, because we've been looking for a while, and we've been calling places. We've gone and looked at 2 of them so far, and one of them was just up the road, and the other one was 4-hour drive one way. That was way too much for Mama Lisa here. Way too much. Yeah, I was tuckered out. My husband can drive for hours and hours and hours, and he said it, you know, does not bother him. He's just fine with it, and I am like exhausted. But I get bored easily, and there's nothing to do. All right, 15 minutes. And I have gotten 2 more done. I'm going to have to look up all of these. Whoops, whoops, whoops. And then my Unity stamps I'm going to be doing is, I have some of them pulled out that I need to put back. So that I will handle while I'm doing this. But they come with a sheet. And I shrunk it down and, what do you call it? Laminated the top of it. And I think I did it to almost every one of them. If not, then I will finish it up. And then I'm going to put these in their own little section for the U. And I'm going to put the holes in them. So these will be in there as well. So that will be nice. And then the only other thing I've got to do is my wood stamps. Now I do have quite a few wood stamps. Yeah. And I don't know that I'm going to do these, but I might. Because then I know if I have them and I'm looking for something specific, it's going to be in here. So yeah, I'll probably do those too. So, bye guys. Thanks again. See you tomorrow. Now I'm not doing this on the weekends, but of course you can watch them anytime you want to. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.